Alright guys, welcome to our life in the Philippines. So today has been a little hectic day, and I mentioned in my previous video that I am traveling towards the end of the week, and that end of the week has arrived. So I think it's about 8 p.m. right now, 8:30 maybe, and 2 a.m. I'm gonna leave for Manila International Airport. I'm going to go back to United States for a little bit of work for a month or two. I have some friends that are actually starting a little televised shopping network, and my background is television studios, engineering, cameras, satellite communication, transmission, that kind of stuff. So they asked me if I could come over and help them out for a little bit. So 8:25 a.m. in the morning, my flight leaves, and I'm flying through Tokyo with a couple of hours overlay there. Stay over in Tokyo and then into Los Angeles, and then from LA into Orlando, Florida, where I'm gonna spend most of my time. We said we're going to continue to blog, and I have my wife here is going to do a little bit of vlogging here in Philippines, and we have a couple of helpers. You guys have seen Umberto in some of the videos. He's going to help out a little bit, do a little vlogging for us as well. So we can keep the channel moving, and I will be vlogging from Orlando, Florida for a little bit, and so we're not stopping. We're gonna keep providing videos, if not daily, at least 3, 4, 5 times a week. We're gonna try to put up a video for you to keep you informed on what's going on and how we're doing, and I might even do a couple of vlogs from inside the area where I'm going to be working at as well. So we'll see. Anyway, this is just a short little update. I'll be traveling for a couple of days, and there will be maybe a break here for a day or two before I get into Orlando, before we put up the next video. So for now, everybody have a great weekend, and we go from there. The other exciting thing is that we are approaching 1,000 subscribers. We're getting really close, guys, and we're really excited and appreciate every single one of you out there that has been subscribing, doing comments in our comment section, and if you have questions, we are willing to blog, make question sessions, and try to give you some answers. After 5 years here, I have a little bit of experience, and I have some friends here that have been here for 20 years. So in between all of us, when we bounce back and forth between each other, we can provide you some answers. For now, thank you for watching. God bless, and I'll see you next video, probably on Saturday. Bye-bye.